wabarakatuh. My name is Sama Alif bin Bashari and I represented my group to perform the presentation of tutorial 37 number 1. So I will explain the A question and then I will proceed to Aina Naswa to continue with B question and then Auni Kiasatina will explain the C question and lastly Azam will explain the D question. And for the graph, Auni Kiasatina will explain. Okay, so for the first question is to find the interval where the function is increasing or decreasing. So we can see from here, after we put the equation in the search bar, the symbol lab already make the first derivative and it also already simplify, which we get 3x minus 1 and x plus 1. So from that, we can know that the negative infinity and negative 1 is increasing, negative 1 and 1 is decreasing, and 1 and infinity is increasing. So I will proceed for the big question with Aina.
So I will explain about extremum point. After we get critical value, we need to substitute it into the fx equation to get critical points. After we substitute, we get critical point which is 1, 0 and negative 1, 4. After we get critical points, we need to we use first derivative test to determine which is minimum point and which is maximum point. For 1, 0, we get sign of negative positive, so that means 1, 0 is minimum point. And negative 1, 4 is we get sign of positive negative, so negative 1, 4 is maximum point. So I will pass next question to Auni.
Okay, for the C question, for find the concavity, we need to second derivative the equation 3x squared minus 3, so we will get 6x. After that, we will get x equal to 0. We have to test it by using concavity test. Negative infinity up to 0, we get negative sign, that means concave downward. 0 up to infinity, we will get positive signs, that means it's concave upward. So for the next question, I will pass it to Azam.
Okay, for question D, we need to find the inflection point. Okay, for the inflection point, we need to use the second derivative, which is 6x, and x is equal to 0. Okay, for y, we need to use the fx to find the value of y, so we just need to insert the value of x, which is 0, into the fx, and we will get y equals to 2 or fx equals to 2. So therefore, the inflection point for this equation is, for this graph, is 0 and 2. Okay, Ani.
Okay, for the graph, first we have to draw the x-axis and y-axis. We have to plot the point from maximum for maximum point negative 1, 4, for minimum point 1, 0, for inflection point 0, 2. So we draw the concave upward and concave downward. Negative infinity up until negative 1, negative 1 up until maximum point. Meet the inflection point. From the inflection point to the minimum point, and then draw it up until infinity. That's all